Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add profile picture on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here you can see the edit profile option. Click on it. Now click on the profile icon with plus sign beside the name option. Here you can either add a new profile picture or import from Instagram. I'm gonna import from Instagram. Click on the import from Instagram option and click on Done button on the top right corner. Here you have successfully added a new profile picture on your Threads profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.